Hello, folks. So, again, we are chasing railroad history, and we are in the town of Orangeville, Pennsylvania, in Columbia County now. Interesting spot right here. So, I've been trying to hunt down the Bloomsburg and Sullivan Railroad. Bloomsburg and Sullivan was an independent railroad from, I believe, 1888 to 1924 or possibly 1928, at which point it was absorbed by the Reading and became known as the Benton branch. So right now we are standing on the old right-of-way, and this road right here is actually called Railroad Street. So we're going to take a walk So we are walking down Railroad Street right now, and when we get just a little bit further down, something really cool I want to show you guys. So this line operated, I believe, up until the early 70s with freight. There was a flash flood a little further north in the town of Benton, I believe late 60s, early 70s, that ended service for that part of the line. And then when Agnes came through, it was the end completely for the Benton branch of the Reading Railroad. But if you look right in front of us, that is the Orangeville rail station. So hang on, let me just show you real quick. Here is the right-of-way. We are standing on the right-of-way. I'll see if I can get a date on this station. I'll put it in the description. But we are walking on the former Bloomsburg and Sullivan, and then later on the Reading Benton branch. And this is the bed right here, folks. And this would be the Orangeville train station. Pretty cool piece of history right here. Now, inside this window are actually pictures of steam locomotives on the Bloomsburg and Sullivan, and I'm gonna see if we can... I know all you can really see is my reflection, but there's two pictures in there, and they're both steamers on tracks, and it says Bloomsburg and Sullivan Railroad above them. So this is it, folks. Train would have rolled through. People would have boarded and unboarded. And then the right-of-way would have continued through here. And that's quite the jungle. And I don't want to ruffle any feathers around here. I'm not from these parts. I don't see anything posted in this general area, so this is where we're going to stay. And just so you can see, we're on Railroad Street. There's a piece of paper in the window here. It's a building permit, and it appears they are going to be doing some work on this station. Maybe bringing it back to its former glory. This has been a difficult one to track down. I stopped in the town of Benton looking for some remnants there. I really couldn't find anything. But this is a score here, that's for sure. So I'm pretty sure this was built by the Reading Company. I don't think this station was built by the Bloomsburg and Sullivan. There may have been a station here. When I Google this, it comes up as being part of the Reading Company, this building here. Oh, look at this. Up there it says painted 744. That's pretty neat, huh? So yeah, Bloomsburg and Sullivan. Surprised we've even found this. Thought this was pretty neat. All right, folks. Thanks for watching.